guys, I'm Ishita and welcome back to my channel. If you've been following my content for a while, you'd know that I've done a couple of videos on must-have random things that every girl should have. But this video is slightly different. These are probably not must-haves, but these are things that I've been loving recently. And I feel like if you guys actually like this video, find it helpful, I might turn it into a monthly series where I do one video every month about just products that I've been loving, and of course random products. It's no category specific. It includes clothes, it includes slippers, random lifestyle products that I've been finding really helpful. So let's jump right into it without wasting any more time. The first product is a water flosser, and honestly I feel like why didn't I ever use this product before? It is so good for dental hygiene. This was obviously recommended to me by a dentist. I recently got my wisdom tooth extracted, which was like completely decayed, so I know how important this is. A lot of times like food gets stuck in our mouth after meals despite us rinsing it really well, and this really goes in and takes out all of that. It is, however, just a disclaimer, when you start using it for the first time, it can be a little difficult to figure out how to use it. It can be a lot of pressure at once, so it comes with different modes. The one that I have is from Perfora, so you need to start off with the softest mode and until you get used to it. But for dental hygiene, this is highly recommended by me. Please go ahead and start using a water flosser. Next up is a memory foam pillow. I've always been wary of using these because I thought ये बहुत hard होते हैं, so उनमें comfortable नहीं होते. But dude, this is so comfortable. I don't think I can use any other pillow after using this. The best part about memory foam is that like when you like leave it as is, it's gonna be like straight and hard, unlike like your regular pillows जो use करने के बाद थोड़े ऐसे पतले और they get like depressed in the middle. This doesn't happen with this. It's always gonna be like this, but when you lie down on it, it literally takes the shape of your head or your neck or like however you lie down on it, and it sort of comes back up to its regular shape. So it's actually very comfortable. It honestly is one of the best pillows to be using. It gives proper support to your neck, your spine and your shoulders. So if you haven't tried it yet, or if you've been sort of doubtful about giving it a try, I'm telling you, go ahead and do it. I would highly recommend it. In fact, I picked this up from Myntra at a very affordable price. I got a set of 2 for like 700 or 900 rupees. I'm going to link it down below for you guys. Another thing that I've been loving is comfortable loungewear. This is made of pure cotton and I love these Indian ethnic prints. I have like 3 of these. This is another color and a print that I have it in. There's also a pink one. These are so comfortable. I can live in them all day long, and I've been obsessed with these lately. I've sort of let those fancy night suits with like silk material and satin material be for a while. This is just my go-to all the time. I wish I could be in this all day long. I'm gonna link it down below for you guys in case you want to check it out. I absolutely love them, and I would highly recommend them to you guys as well. The next thing that I've been obsessed with is the skincare ingredient called Glycolic Acid. Now, since the time I've been struggling with hyperpigmentation, my acne went away, but it obviously left a little bit of marks behind. And my dermat actually told me to start including this in my skincare routine. So now my face wash has it. I also use a serum which is extremely rich in glycolic acid. But I don't want to just talk about products with you guys. I want to go a little bit into skin science and talk about this ingredient. So glycolic acid belongs to the alpha hydroxy acid family, which is basically acids that occur naturally in fruits, milk and sugarcane. In skincare, this is used to treat specific concerns and majorly as an exfoliant to sort of remove all the dead skin cells. It's the lightest and the smallest AHA molecule, which allows it to penetrate deeper into our skin and work directly on melanin, which is a substance produced directly by our body, and that causes pigmentation on skin, hair or eye or anywhere on the body. So 2 major advantages of this. Number 1 is obviously it's an exfoliant, so it removes the dead skin cells and reveals fresher, newer skin. And number 2, because it can penetrate so well into the skin, it works on the melanin and helps reduce dark spots. And the serum that I use with this magic ingredient in it is the Loreal Paris Glycolic Bright Serum. This has 1% glycolic acid. It gives an instant glow, it's non-sticky, it smells great, and it also claims to reduce dark spots by 57%. Now, I spoke about it in one of my shorts videos as well, so check it out if you guys haven't seen it. I spoke about my acne journey and how this has been pretty useful to sort of reduce those dark spots and my pigmentation. You can apply it on dry skin after face wash and follow it up with an SPF, or include it in your nighttime routine before going to bed for that glowing skin. I'm going to leave the link down below in case you guys want to give it a try. The next one I've been loving is a beetroot beetroot amla shot every morning after I wake up. It's great for immunity, it's an antioxidant, it's an anti-inflammatory thing, it's great for skin. My mom actually put me on to this. It's also great for gut health. So how you make it is you grate the amla and a little bit of beetroot and then just take the juice out of it and take a shot. It honestly doesn't taste as bad once you get used to it. Another thing that I've been loving, and I actually gave into the hype of Birkenstocks. I got my first pair a couple of days back. Now I've been told that it takes about a week for the footwear to take the shape of your sole. That's the patent technology of Birkenstocks, what they are famous for and why they're so expensive. I picked this color up because it's a neutral color, it's gonna go with everything, and I've usually seen those blacks, double stat Birkenstocks. This was a little different, so I really liked it. And I will keep you posted about how my experience with this has been. The next thing is wall art, and honestly wall art is very expensive. Like if you go on websites like Best of Bharat and Look at You and ek do aur hain jo bahut hi expensive hai, but I found a hack around it. Etsy has a lot of digital prints that you can download for about like under 1,000. Some really cool stuff that you can download for really affordable prices, and then you get it printed at your local frame seller, and it's actually a very affordable way to get really nice wall art. So I picked this up from Etsy, I downloaded it, and then I got it printed on a stretched canvas and put it up here. So if you're looking to save money and still have an aesthetic corner in your house, try this out. I'm going to link a couple of wall art links down below for you guys. Next up is a shower gel that has emptied completely, and I haven't been able to find a replacement yet. This is the Fiama Shower Gel, patchouli and macadamia. This smells amazing. It smells like heaven. And if you guys know me, you know I love trying out new shower gels, but this is something that is just out of the world. So if you want to try it out, go ahead and do that. I don't know where you can find it because I'm having a hard time trying to restock this again, but this is a great one. Next up is a food item, and it's actually a cereal. It's called Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and it's yummy AF. I absolutely love it. Again, you find it only online or in very few stores. It's slightly on the expensive side, I think, but it tastes so good. If you're someone who loves cinnamon, do try it out. I don't eat it very often because it obviously has a lot of sugar in it, but I love indulging in this every now and then. And the last thing that I've been loving is this ZARA perfume called Red Temptation. It's got a little bit of jasmine note. I don't know exactly kya hai, but a major note is jasmine. And it smells amazing. I absolutely love it. It is an affordable perfume, comes for just about 950 rupees. At least this 30 ml is for 950. You also get bigger bottles, which is about maybe 1800 or 2k. This is great for traveling, super portable. So if you're looking to pick one up for yourself, get this one. I love it. So this wraps up the video. These were 10 things that I'm obsessing about lately. If you guys want me to do more of these videos, let me know in the comments down below, and I'd love to share what I'm loving. This will have to be a monthly or a bi-monthly series because इतनी जल्दी तो मेरी obsessions or things that I like it change नहीं होती हैं. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below, and I will see you guys next Sunday in a brand new video. Bye.